So first of all, as you can see the dash here, what they will say to you, can you show me how you would turn on your demister? Right, so a demister is air that is pushed up and goes over the front windscreen, so it keeps the mist away. Okay. If it's winter, it's good to use the air conditioning because that will dry the mist, and obviously in the summer it's good too. But you're going along, Amelia, how would you put on your front demister? No idea. Can you see the one that's already lit up?
That one there.
Yeah, so press that. So it would be off, or it could be on like that. You just press it, and then press it again. Go on. Can you see? Yeah. And then press it on. That is the front demister. Right, can you guess what the rear demister is?
That one.
Cool. You do that, and done. Okay?
Yeah.
Now they might say to you after that, or you're only going to get one, but one of the questions could be, could you turn on the headlights of the vehicle? Right, yeah? Now, these modern cars, what happens is, they've got like automatic headlights and all of that. So, you see that there, yeah?
Yeah.
All you need to do is push it over once, and then push it back again. Okay?
Yes.
Right? The horn, what do you reckon the horn is?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, yeah. So when you're driving along, it's perfectly fine when they say, "Can you show me when it's safe to do so?" How you put the horn on, and all you would do is just press that. Yeah.
Yes.
What shouldn't you do when you're driving along? Focus on something else, like the horn completely when you're going around the bend. There's a lot of times that people fail because they're doing something like going around the bend. So the word the examiner says is when it's safe to do so, which means that you don't have to put it on instantly. Somewhere safe, straight road, press it. So now we're going to move on to the front windscreen washers. Any idea? No, that's not your washers, that's your wipers. Yeah, common mistake. But what we do, we just pull it back. Oh, gee, got soaked. Right, yeah? So, how do you do the rear ones? Have a guess.
You have to push it back instead of
Yeah, push it.
forward.
Yeah, perfect.
Like
yeah.
that. Yeah.
And then, finally, how do you open your front windscreen? Not windscreen. How do you open your front window?
Like that.
Perfect. Got it?
Yes.
So you won't get asked all of them, you'll get one of them.
Yes.
Okay, so we hope this helps people out there, but this is for the MG4. We will have the Tell Me ones coming soon.